How to stop hair fall with natural methods. Number 1. Hair oil massage. Massaging the scalp, which can be used in conjunction with hair oils, stimulates the scalp and may improve hair. You can use hair oils like coconut or almond oil, olive oil, amla oil, or others. Massage is also known to improve blood flow and the health of the scalp. A 2019 study found that hair growth improved blood flow and the health of the scalp. Number 2. Fenugreek seed. Fenugreek seed, also known as Methi, is among the most effective home remedies to stop the hair loss. It repairs the hair follicles and helps in regrowth of the hair. Rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, fenugreek seeds strengthen the hair shaft and make your hair strong, shiny, and long. Soak 1 cup of fenugreek seeds overnight in water. Grind it to a fine paste the next day and apply it to your hair and scalp. After 30 to 40 minutes, rinse it with normal water. Do this twice a week for a month. Number 3. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is an effective home remedy for hair loss and to boost hair growth. It is also effective in reducing problems of the scalp like itching and flaking. Take the stalk of aloe vera and extract the pulp. Apply to your hair and scalp and leave it for about 45 minutes. Rinse with normal water. You can do this 3 times a week to see better results.